If your shower valve or tub faucet is always leaking, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you how to replace the shower valve cartridge yourself and potentially save hundreds of dollars. Once the water is shut off, turn the handle to relieve the pressure and drain out the remaining water. Remove the set screws holding the trim plate in place and remove it. Next, loosen the set screw on the back side of the handle using an Allen wrench. In this case, I was using a 7/64. It's important to use the right size, or you could strip out the set screw and then you would have to drill it out and replace the trim kit. After removing the inner trim ring, you'll see a brass ring. If you can't remove it by hand, you can use the channel locks to remove it. If it is stuck, you can try using some WD-40 to help loosen it up, and/or using a punch, you can tap around the ring to help loosen it. Once you have the ring removed, you can then remove the cartridge. It may resist being removed, but resistance is futile. Just keep wiggling it up and down and do not twist it, or you can break it and cause other problems. Clean and inspect the valve and threads using a rag and inspect for any damage. Then using silicone grease, rub it on all of the O-rings. This will help everything slide together easier and prevent damage to the O-rings during installation. When installing the cartridge, make sure to align the tabs on the side and push it in straight. I also like to put a little bit of silicone grease on the threads to help prevent corrosion and make it easier to remove the brass ring in the future. Only hand tighten this brass ring. If you need, you can wrap a towel around it to give you a better grip, or if there are some sharp edges on it. Install the temperature limit stop if yours has one. Reinstall the trim kit. And using a clear bathroom caulking, seal around the edge of the trim kit. But make sure to leave a 1-inch gap at the very bottom. In case water does get inside, you'll want it to have a way to get out that is not inside your wall. Then install the handle, turn the water back on, and run the water to remove any of the air from the lines. And that's it, you're done.